Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to change who can reply to your Instagram stories using your PC. With the latest update, managing your story interactions has never been simpler. Let's get started. First, open Instagram on your computer. You can do this by navigating to the Instagram website and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the More icon on the left side menu. This is usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots. Click on this icon to reveal additional options. Next, select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various settings related to your account. Now, find and click on Message and Story Replies. This section allows you to customize how you interact with your followers and who can respond to your stories. After entering that section, click on Story Replies. Here, you'll see different options for managing replies to your stories. You will typically have 3 choices. 1. Everyone, allowing anyone, including non-followers, to reply. 2. People you follow, restricting replies only to those users you follow back. 3. Off, disabling replies altogether. Choose the option that best suits your preferences. If you want maximum engagement, select Everyone so that all users can share their thoughts on your stories. Once you've made your selection, make sure to save your changes if prompted. This ensures that your new settings are applied immediately. And there you have it. You've successfully changed who can reply to your Instagram stories on PC with just a few simple steps. Now, whether you want more interaction or prefer a more controlled environment for your stories, you have the tools at your disposal. Thank you for watching. If this guide was helpful, consider liking and sharing it with others who might benefit from these tips. Stay tuned for more updates and tutorials on maximizing your social media experience.